Have you ever wondered why incorporating superfoods into your diet during the winter is essential? As the mercury drops, our bodies require additional nourishment to fight off the cold and keep our energy levels high. Enter superfoods, the nutritional powerhouses that are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients play a vital role in strengthening our immune system, a crucial aspect during the winter when we're more susceptible to colds and flu. Superfoods also help to boost our energy levels, ensuring that the shorter, darker days don't leave us feeling lethargic. Moreover, these nutrient-dense foods help us adapt to seasonal needs. For example, many superfoods contain high levels of vitamin D, a nutrient that's less available from sunlight during the winter months. So whether it's a hearty helping of kale, a warm sweet potato soup, or a handful of nuts and seeds, superfoods are key to keeping us healthy and energetic throughout the winter season. Remember, the right superfoods can be your best defense against winter's chill. Now, let's dive into our top picks for superfoods to power you through the winter. First on our list is a leafy green powerhouse, kale. Packed with vitamins A, K, and C, it's a nutrient-dense choice that's perfect for winter soups, stews, and salads. Kale's high fiber content also aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, helping you resist those winter comfort food cravings. Next up, we have sweet potatoes. Not only are they deliciously versatile, but they're also brimming with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system and good vision, both of which are particularly important during the darker, colder months. Don't overlook frozen berries this winter. While fresh berries may be out of season, their frozen counterparts retain most of their nutrients. Berries are high in antioxidants, which help safeguard your cells against damage, and they're a wonderful addition to your morning smoothie or porridge. Nuts and seeds are next on our list. These tiny nutritional powerhouses are rich in healthy fats, proteins, and fiber. They're great for boosting your energy levels on those sluggish winter afternoons, and they're easy to incorporate into your meals, be it in salads, cereals, or as a quick snack. Warming spices like ginger and turmeric also make our winter superfoods list. Both are celebrated for their anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger can help soothe winter ailments like colds and flu, while turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is known for its potential to boost brain health. Lastly, we have legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. These are excellent sources of plant-based protein and fiber, helping you to feel full and satisfied. They're also high in B vitamins, which play a key role in energy production, making them a great choice for combating winter fatigue. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can help provide the nutrients your body needs to stay healthy during winter. Let's debunk some myths and clarify some facts about superfoods. Contrary to popular belief, superfoods are not a magic bullet for health and well-being. While they are nutrient-dense and can have a significant positive impact on your health, they cannot single-handedly prevent or cure diseases. However, scientific studies have shown that integrating superfoods into a balanced diet can enhance energy levels and overall well-being. It's important to set realistic expectations and understand that a healthy lifestyle involves more than just consuming superfoods. Now let's talk about practical shopping tips. Superfoods, unfortunately, can sometimes be pricey. But fear not, there are budget-friendly alternatives like seasonal fruits and vegetables, nuts, and seeds. When storing, keep them in a cool, dry place to maintain their nutritional value and extend their shelf life. Remember, the key is variety and balance. Armed with this knowledge, you can make informed decisions about incorporating superfoods into your diet. We've received some common questions about superfoods. Let's address these. First off, can superfoods really prevent or cure diseases? While they're packed with nutrients, they're not miracle workers. They can certainly boost your overall health, but they're not a replacement for medical treatment. Next up, how can you incorporate superfoods into your diet without breaking the bank? Look for seasonal and local superfoods or consider growing your own. Frozen berries, for example, are a cheaper, year-round option. Are superfoods suitable for children? Absolutely. Just make sure to introduce new foods gradually and monitor for any allergic reactions. How do you determine if a superfood is genuinely super? Look beyond the hype. Research its nutritional value and health benefits. Should you avoid any superfoods with certain health conditions? Yes, some may interact with medication or exacerbate conditions. Always consult your doctor. Finally, how do superfoods affect digestion? Most are high in fiber, promoting healthy digestion. But as with anything, moderation is key. Remember, Superfoods are not a magic cure-all, but can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet, especially in the winter months. Let's summarize the key points we've discussed today. Superfoods are especially beneficial in winter, providing natural energy and boosting immunity. Top contenders include kale, sweet potatoes, frozen berries, nuts, seeds, ginger, turmeric, and legumes. They can be easily integrated into your daily meals. While they may not be miracle cures, superfoods do offer significant health benefits. Incorporate them wisely and responsibly. Stay healthy this winter by incorporating these superfoods into your diet. Remember, your health is your wealth.